do this in 3, 2. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's 2-minute tutorial, in today's 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you how to use the most legendary heavy rope on the planet the right way, the most effective way, and to get you guys flying like bosses, as I always say. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button and join the most hottest fitness community growing in the world today. We are taking cardio by storm, we are creating history, and I want you guys to all join me. Before we get straight into this tutorial, just remember guys, this Saturday, May the 4th, we are launching our Sky Royalty line of apparel. This is for men and women, and it's our most epic launch to date, our most just biggest and baddest launch you're ever going to see. It goes live at 4 p.m. UK time. Set those alarms, do whatever you need to do. I want to see you there on Saturday, and also comment down below as well and let me know what you guys are looking to cop. So I'm going to set the timer here or here. I'm going to try and keep to the 2 minutes this time, because this is going to be a quick tutorial guys. What I want to show you is how to really use this rope the right way, right? So I sell this in 10 feet or 11 feet. Now, some people ask me, can you knot this rope and make it shorter? And the answer is yes, you can knot this rope. It's something that I actually don't do with it because the handles are long enough that you can actually adjust within the handles and also just get a good revolution on the rope. If you're going to use knots, I feel that it kind of skews the weight or the kind of revolutions. It kind of feels a little bit strange for me. It feels fine, of course, with the speed rope, but for this rope, because there's so much weight already on the rope, I don't feel like I should be putting knots on it. So first off, make sure you size it from inside the handles. If you have loads of excess, if you're a lady or if you're a bit shorter, etc., then do cut it off. Don't cut off too much though. So make sure you leave enough kind of rope in there. Second point guys is your arm positions. Now a lot of people feel like with heavy ropes you need to come out a little bit wider here, but you don't want to be doing this. You want to be sticking to the speed rope principle, like I always say, which is keeping your elbows back. You're going to be keeping that kind of back retracted, chest out, and you really want to feel like you're pushing the rope forward guys. You don't want to be doing it just with your wrist. There's going to be a lot of tension on the wrist with heavy ropes in general anyway. So what you don't want to do is create the revolution simply with your wrist. You want to feel like you're pushing the rope forward, and this is going to be key on your hand position now. And this is the kind of main point I want to touch on in this video, and that's why it's going to be a short tutorial hopefully. Do not follow the speed rope convention that I show you guys, which is to put the thumbs down the handles. What you want to do is really grip this rope like a baseball bat, if you imagine, and where the handle kind of curves in, that is where you're going to put your hands and you're going to grip it. So you want to be gripping it closer to the actual rope, which is going to give you a lot more control and a lot more power as well in the revolutions, and when you're doing things like crossovers and double unders. You don't really want to be gripping it too far down the handle. It's going to get really uncomfortable. The rope's just going to make you kind of buckle your wrist as well a little bit. Get a firm grip higher up the handle, exactly where it kind of curves in here. That is where you're looking to grip it, and that's the reason why we made the handles like this as well. The last point I'm going to mention guys, which is not so obvious, but when I use it I can really feel it, is when you are doing the revolutions, I really feel like I'm pointing the handles up. So not down here, actually up, so slightly kind of at an upward angle. So as I'm skipping, I would say that the handle is maybe at a 30-degree angle. If that was straight or horizontal, that's where I'd want to be, so maybe about 45 degrees. But that's the kind of feel that I get, and that's the reason why I get good control on this rope. That's why I get a great workout, a great sweat really quickly, because I'm not really putting so much pressure on these wrists that I get tired and that I can't kind of maintain the workout and I can't maintain the sort of endurance. This is how you're going to really condition your body guys. You want to really feel like you're pushing the rope forward. The last tip I'm going to share with you guys is actually the rope length. So I mentioned that you need to adjust it via the handle, but what a lot of people do and what I've seen in so many videos is that they're using a really long rope when it comes to this rope. It might be just the feel of the legacy rope where people just like to have it longer and they feel like they're getting a really good workout, but this is going to damage the rope over time guys. Making the rope have such a heavy impact on each revolution simply because it's too long, it's going to damage the rope obviously at the bottom and also closer to the handle. So you really want to get a really light clip. Very similar to the speed rope, but obviously just do it so that it's comfortable for you. But if you see yourself in the mirror or on videos where you can see the rope really hitting the ground, really making a loud noise, then the rope is too long for you. And to be honest with you, you're not really going to get the most out of the rope. And that's where a lot of beginners go wrong with this rope. They just don't adjust it, they keep it too long, and then they just get super tired as well because they've got a lot of excess rope that they have to get around their body, which weighs a lot. Before I wrap up the video guys, I'm going to give you a quick freestyle, quick demo of what kind of level you can get to with this rope. It's the optimum weight to get a great workout in, to build endurance, to build conditioning for your body, and it's also going to allow you to stay slick and crush your freestyle sessions like you do with your speed rope. So let's give it a quick spin guys. This is what you can get to. You can start with simple footwork, as we always do, just get warm. Love the sound of this rope. Mix it with a bit of side swings, a bit of crossovers, boxer step, running crossover, feeling it in the forearms, double unders. Finish it up with a bit of a 12. And there you have it, guys. Woo. See you on May the 4th. And just want to say big up and thank you once again for allowing me to follow my dreams. And I hope you guys are doing the same behind that camera. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.